Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Study Squad. It is 9 a.m., which means it is time to start your days with a daily dose of vocabulary with me. The session is going to be under 5 minutes and the words you're going to see here are taken from the Hindu. So if you have yet not subscribed to our channel, make sure to do so and make sure to press on that tiny bell near it so that every day when the session comes, you all get notified. Without wasting any single second, let's start the session. Let's hop on to the first word for today. The first word that we're going to discuss today is ambush. Ambush means a surprise attack from a hidden position. So it's a surprise attack. You're not aware about the position of the enemy as well. Coming to the picture, it depicts the same. Here you could see it's a battlefield or a war zone. And there are two parties here, first one and the second one. And the first one is about to get ambushed here because they are not aware that the enemy is waiting here in the hidden position to attack them. Okay, coming to the example we have, he was killed in an enemy ambush. So he was killed in an enemy surprise attack here. Coming to the synonyms, we have trap, snare, ambuscade and lure. Here snare is different as well as ambuscade and I'm going to star mark both of them. So pay extra attention on these two. The antonym here is refraining. Okay, pretty simple. Next word that we're going to discuss is stringent. Stringent means having a severe effect, being extremely limiting or demanding strict attention to rules and procedures. So you're very stringent towards your rules. That means you're not going to break them at any cost. Say you have a particular routine and you're very stringent upon that routine. So you try your best not to break it. Okay, so you're very stringent upon that. Coming to the example, we have stringent safety regulations were introduced after the accident. See, here we can talk about safety as in road safety here. Okay, so after the accident, it was saying that the authorities had made the regulations more stringent, more strict, which should not be the case. It should be before the accident and it should always be there. The safety measures when it comes to road should always be stringent and an accident should be avoided at any cost. Okay, here is the image. You could see that a parent or an adult is trying to make a kid follow those rules and they're very stringent about it. Okay, the synonyms are strict, firm, ironclad and severe. Here ironclad is different and we'll star mark that. The antonyms here are flexible and lenient. Okay, flexible since we are using, so another synonym could be inflexible. Very simple. Okay, so that could also be used here. Next, we have the word domicile. Domicile means the place or country of resident, which is legally or officially recognized. So, it's a place where you stay and it is legally and officially recognized. As for us Indians, it is the address that is written in our Aadhaar cards, right? Coming to the sentence, we had his wife has a domicile of origin in Germany. So, his wife basically is from Germany and has a permanent residence there. The synonyms are abode and hurt. The second one is important and we'll star mark that. The antonyms are evict here. Next, we have the word render. Render means to cause somebody something to be in a certain condition. So, you did something because of which you are in this particular state or condition right now. The image here depicts it very clearly. Okay, you could say it's a man, okay, and he's using his money in a very, not wise manner, as you can say. So, he's giving away his money when he had it. And later on, it was seen that it rendered him into a position where he was out of money or broke. And therefore, he says, oops. Okay, so you regret it later on. Coming to the sentence, we have she was rendered speechless by the attack. So, because of the attack, she was rendered speechless, or because of that, she reached into a condition where she was utterly speechless. Coming to the synonyms, we have seed, furnish, and provide. Then the antonyms are hold and keep here. Next word we have is facade. Okay, facade means the way something appears to be, which is not the way he, she, it really is. So you try to act in a certain way, you try to appear in front of others in a certain way, but you are actually not that kind of person. See, the image here makes it very clear. this person has a mask on. So basically, he's trying to cover up what he is from inside, she is from inside. Okay, the example is his good humor was just a facade. So it was just a cover up for whatever misery that person was going on from the inside. The synonyms are exterior, bluff, and disguise. Pretty simple. Antonyms are reality and truth. Next word we have is invoke. Invoke means to mention a theory, an example, a person, etc., to support your views or ideas or a reason for something. So you're trying to mention a theory or an example just as to support your ideas. Maybe sometimes you're doing something wrong also. So you put up an idea in front of your parents saying, my friend is doing so I am also going to do the same thing. Okay, so you try to mention that here. The sentence or the example says here, the suspect invoked his rights to an attorney. So he came up with the idea of, he knows that his rights that he could call an attorney. So he invoked it. Coming to the synonyms, we have supplicate, solicit, and beseech. Here, all the synonyms are important. So star mark them here. Coming to the antonyms, we have brave. Also, another word that reminds me of invoke is a word. Just if you change the I here, okay, we have evoke. Okay, evoke is also a word. You're gonna tell me the meaning of this particular word in the comment section. Okay. Next, we have the word for the day, that is libel. You can tell me the meaning of this particular word in the comments as well as the antonyms and synonyms related to it. Make sure to participate as much as possible because it shows that you're eager to learn as well. Once you open Google to actually search for something, your brain gets more activated. Once you search for this particular meaning, this is going to be imprinted in your brain. Okay, so this is the main purpose why we come up for a word that you should answer. Okay, as well as if you like the session and you watch it this far, make sure to like the session. Make sure to subscribe to us so that every day when we come up with these sessions, you all get notified. With that being said, I'll end the session and I hope that you start your morning with a boost. Thank you for watching.